managers. I'm Siti Aisyah binti Dahalan, student diploma in marketing from DPR3A. Pada matrix 07 DPR19F 2053. Our business name is AkiOdu Foods. Our product is traditional food. Our product is more of a spicy and salt taste. Okay, let's go to BMC. The first one is customer segment. Our business focus on the customer of the Kadazan Dusun, but still welcome those who are not marketing target to buy our product. Because not all races like flavor like spicy and salt. In terms of egg, we target territory, older and the elder. The area take place is market or near our supermarket. Second is value proposition. Our menu is fried rice with a mix of white pepper and the little fruit. We call that buah lesun. Serunding, sambal hinker. In terms of price as well, we will try at an affordable price, packaging size according to price and convenient packaging.
Hello, my name is Vince Rachel William, number matrix 07 DPR19F 2049. Today I will explain about channel and revenue stream. Our company provide code for delivering food that you order. For more information, you can check our Instagram, Facebook page, and WhatsApp. Next, I will explain about revenue stream. We have sorting to how and busuk. While the payment for the code is only RM1. That's all from me.
Hello Miss Aisyah aka Miss Gorgeous, and to all my fellow friends who will watch our video, my name is Tracy Daniel from class DPR3A. So, what I will present is customer relationship and key activities. So, what's customer relationship in our product is number 1 is buy 3 items, get free 1 item. Second is get secret receipt surrounding to how, which is you can do by your own by using our secret recipe. And the third is get discount 10% minimum purchase at RM20. Next is key activities, which is we promote our foods on IG and WhatsApp, and we do cash on delivery. And the third, we prepare all the ingredients, and the last is it's 100% original handmade. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Jessie Sandra Gilbert. My CAD metric number is 07 DPR19F 2009. So I'm gonna talk about the key results of our product. Key results are the main asset that a company needs to create the end product. Key results in our business is marketing knowledge. Marketing knowledge is important for our business so that our product will easily enter the market. In addition, if we have marketing knowledge, it will easily attract or interest the customer to buy our product. Our second key resource are capital, which is money. A business must have a capital to start because our business should have enough stock so that customer requests can be graded. Next, I'm gonna talk about the key partner. Key partner are the relationship that a business have with other business. Our business key partner is Batara Supermarket. Our business needs enough plastic container stock to put our food when customer order, so that the food will be safe. So that we need the Bataras hypermarket to be our supply plastic container. Our second key partner are COD runner. Our business need a good relationship with the COD runner, so that customer who want to taste our food but cannot come to our store can use the COD runner service to deliver the food to them. Next, I'm gonna talk about the cost structure. Cost structure define all the costs and expense that a business will incur while operating the business model. Our cost structure in business is variable. We need raw material to make our food more delicious. We also have to spend money on our packaging product. Our marketing costs are always different according to economic conditions and the product demand. That's all from me, and thank you.
In the end, we cover 9 blocks of BMC, and this BMC give wonder to our product and give a good impact in our business plan. That's all from my team. Thank you.